What if your allergies don't start in your nose, or your sinuses, or the weather? What if they actually start in your gut, and no one ever told you? I've worked with hundreds of people who had allergies, sinus problems, post-nasal drip, itchy skin, hives, asthma, and seasonal flare-up. They tried everything: antihistamines, nose sprays, cortisone, inhalers, injections, diets, even changing pillows, detergents, and environments. But nothing changes long term. Why? Because nobody is addressing the actual source of the histamine overload. When digestion becomes weak, when the gut begins to leak, when Candida overgrows, and when the wrong bacteria break down food, your body starts creating toxic histamine from inside, not from pollen, not from dust, not from cats, but from your own digestive system. This is why some people wake up every morning congested. This is why sinuses flare when stressed. This is why some develop allergies out of nowhere. Your gut controls your histamine. Let me share 3 secrets. Secret number 1. Histamine isn't the enemy. Poor digestion is. When your protein is not fully digested, it reaches the colon and begins to rot. Putrefactive bacteria convert histidine into histamine, a toxic allergen. This floods your bloodstream and causes sinus inflammation, sneezing, itchy skin, hives, asthma, headaches, flushing, bloating, and gas. The root is a digestion problem, not an allergy problem. Fix digestion. To histamine drops, to systems fade. Secret number 2. You're not allergic to everything. You're leaking everything. Most people believe my immune system is too weak, I'm allergic to my environment, it's genetic, this is just how my body is. No. When the gut wall becomes permeable, the leaky gut, undigested foods seep into the bloodstream. Your immune system attacks them as foreign invaders. This creates chronic inflammation, autoimmune reactions, thyroid issues, skin rashes, histamine surges, eczema, psoriasis, migraines, anxiety, and brain fog. Your body isn't overreacting. It's defending itself from things that should never be in the blood. Secret number 3. There is a natural molecule that calms inflammation and resets repair, but most people never activate it. No one told you that your body has an internal antihistamine system. Glutathione, histaminase enzyme, it's called DAO, antioxidants, copper peptide signaling, cellular repair pathways. When this system activates your body, it reduces excess histamine, calms inflammation, repairs the gut lining, restores immune balance, increases tolerance, stops the constant allergic response. This is where my work comes in. I teach people how to activate the pathways that turn off inflammation at the root. If you're tired of allergies controlling your life, if you want your sinuses clear, your skin calm, your breathing relaxed, let's fix the root cause, your gut and your cellular repair pathways. Book your free 30-minute consultation. The link is in the bio and description, and I'll show you exactly what your body needs to reduce histamine naturally and rebuild your gut barrier.